Now in this video, we are going to be looking at how to install Grantor, that's travel agency WordPress theme. Now to download this theme, use our affiliate link in the description. So after that, after downloading the theme, you go straight to your dashboard. Here's my dashboard. On my dashboard, I go to my appearance. So this is the default theme. So next I'm going to add new theme because I've already gotten my theme. I click on add new theme. Then yes, I click on upload theme. Then I click on choose file. Okay, I open this is my theme. So I select this, open, then I click on install now. Then next I click on activate. Okay. Let me now go back to my appearance. So it has been selected. Open link in new tab. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If this video is helpful, use the buy me coffee link to buy me coffee. So I have successfully uploaded my theme. As you can see, here is it. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.